Hi guys, today will be my first video of today. So we're gonna be playing some. Let's see, Cup. We'll be playing some solos. Now accept it. So we'll go to item shopping while we wait for the winner. Oh, I really want to purchase this, but I don't have enough V-Bucks. 100 V-Bucks. Okay, now let's see if it's finished, please. Seriously? Are you serious? I guess. 1 second. Okay. Yes, I chose the models. Oh my, it's so laggy. Who is this guy? Oh, I'm going to get out of here. Okay, so we're going to start, and yeah, I guess this is the new battle bus, I believe. I remember there used to be a ball around here, but don't get distracted. I got distracted. Okay, so we'll be landing there. Lazy, I love lazy. I don't know. It's a little bit hard because my laptop is old and I'm recording a video while playing games, so it's very hard. It'll be a lot laggier. So sorry for that. I believe that people say unbolted weapons are back. Oh Jesus. So scared to me. I'm so scared. I've never been this scared. Okay, I'm scared. Oh, I just gotta. I'll use the shield point now. Okay, I did not ask to do that. Okay, now let's go. Somebody's here. You're wasting my time. Seriously, I don't have time for this. I said I don't have time. You just ain't not listening. I don't want that. This is going. Oh, I'm getting some. Okay, I'm gonna forgot INK. Please don't get me, please. These peppermints can only last for. Oh, and there's an ad on my screen. Oh, shit. I might swear sometimes. OMG. Oh, phew. Oh no. There's no way they see me. Someday. I'm just gonna check this. Jeez. Just gonna come. Okay, I see. You're strong. Let's show off. OMGs. OMG. I think I got it. I'm dead. I am so dead. I'm dead or not. I kill him. OMGs. Get out of my sight, please. I'm coming. OMG, this guy's cracked! Oh, jeez. This guy is cracked. Look at him. This guy is cracked. Man. Oh, I never tried the rhythm. I don't know if that. I mean, I did, but I never tried it. I tried it, but not. He's just lucky. I gotta admit, he's just lucky. Here comes spiders. I really like this background, but yeah. What up, y'all? What up? Miss me. Oh, sniper, yes! I'm sort of like the sniper king. Okay, man. You want these? Yeah, now I Jason. Yeah. I don't know if you guys just heard that, but we're like. Oh, I have such a bad sneeze. Okay, this will be my last game. I'm actually gonna try to get a solo one. I never got a solo. Please don't be cracked out, nerds. Please. I give you $1,000 if it's not back down good. Please be boss. If I landed this tree, I'll be scared. Please, okay. If I know my enemies too, but if a pistol, a smith. Now that's what I want. No one came in. Jeez. Let's do something. OMGs, I'm so scared. Why am I always so scared? Yep. I guess that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. My heart was beating quick. Hope you like, share, subscribe to this video, and see you next time. Peace. Not peace. Okay. Just how many are limb prisons? Okay, yeah, but I got 1,000. I got 8 limbs. Bravo! I hope you liked it. See you later.